Hello student, welcome to my video class. Today we shall discuss about the modal auxiliary. First, shall. We use shall with first person I or we to express plain future, permission, promise, order, offer, etc. Examples: we shall be back in an hour's time. It is plain future. Next, shall I go home now? It is permission. I shall take you out on Monday. It is promise. Shall I give you a cup of tea? It is an offer. Okay. We also use shall with you, he, she, they, etc. মানে I এবং we কে ছাড়িয়ে. It means a threat or compulsion. For examples, you shall not use my bicycle again. It is threatening or threat. You shall write these answers before you go. It is compulsion. We use will to express plain future, willingness, request, prediction, etc. Example, he will be 15 next week. It is plain future. Will you do me a favor? It is request. He will come in time. It is prediction. We also use will with first person I and we to express a certainty বা নিশ্চিত করিবা or promise. For example, I will help you as far as I can. So it expresses a promise. Next, should. Should is the past form of shall. Number one, it is used to give advice. To give advice means উপদেশ দেওয়া অর্থে you should read well. You should use this medicine. Okay. To express obligation. Obligation means duty. You should pay all the dues. One should do one's duty. It is another rule. To express a wish. I should like to be a doctor. I should like to be an engineer. Should. Next, would. Would is the past form of will and it is used to express polite request. When we are making a polite request, we use would. Would you please inform me about your results? Again, to express probability. Probability means संभावना अर्थ है. He would be a lawyer, a teacher. It is also used to express an invitation. Would you like a cup of tea? It is also used to express past habit. Example, when I was a child, I would spend hours playing with my toys. Here used to is also possible. Next, used to. We use used to express past habitual action. Means we were doing in the past, not at present. Example, Gita used to cry when she was a child. I used to play cricket when I was young. Okay? Ought to. Ought to ओडिया meaning उचित should संगे समान है. Ought to is almost similar to should in meaning and is used in its place. It is stronger expression and it is used when there is moral obligation or the obligation comes from outside. Example, I ought to get more exercise. It means I am physically unfit, physically weak. They ought to ban smoking in public places. It is moral obligation. You should or ought to wash your hands before you eat. Next, can. To express present ability. Example, he can run like a deer. He can lift the box. It is also used to seek permission. Seek permission means अनुमति मागिबा अर्थ रे. Can I use your cycle? Can I use your pen? Okay. It is also used to give permission. You can use my bicycle or you can use my cycle. You can come with me tomorrow. Next, to express possibility, the leopard can be hiding in the bush. Next, could. It is the past form of can, and it is used to express past ability. He could write poems when he was only 15. She could work out the sum. It is also used to make polite request. Could you please, example, could you please tell me the way to railway station? Could I come in, sir? It is also used to express probability or sambhavana arthare. You could be right. Your answer could be right. I hope you will have enjoyed my class. Thank you.